My dear students, in this session we are going to take a decision making set about a free food center. Okay, let us start reading the set first. During the floods of 2018-19, a group of philanthropists led by Niabuddin wished to open free food center for the needy. Their motto was that no human should be hungry. They started with this motto, no human should be hungry. Nothing gives more satisfaction to the philanthropists than to see the hungry eat to the fullest. Post COVID-19, the group started a food center by the name Winborn Life Care Food, WBLCF, in a small town called Palakkad. The center started gaining popularity as the number of people enjoying free meals increased over time. Initially, WBLCF offered a standardized menu consisting of idli, upma, puttu for breakfast, curd rice for lunch, and idli or upma for supper. Puttu, you all know, puttu is a rice ka cylindrical item that is eaten in the breakfast. Okay, so 6 women were employed by WBLCF to prepare all the meals. As the number of diners increased, they started expecting a variety in the menu. So they started gaining more and more diners, and the new diners started expecting a variety. At WBLCF, not all the diners eat free. While 2/3 of the diners get free food, 1/3 would donate some amount to a transparent charity box kept at the entrance. For example, a man donated ₹500 after consuming 2 idlis. A woman approached Niabuddin and inquired about donating 10 kilograms of rice. Those who could not afford to donate were often seen prostrating worshipfully in front of the charity box. Some caring individuals made monetary donation while others donated rice, fruits, and vegetables to WBLCF. Further, the center received inquiries from many locals on how they could contribute to the cause. As the center was lauded for its philanthropic work by people of the town, Niabuddin intended to replicate the initiative in the nearby districts. However, he is concerned about the cost that goes into running the center. Almost 75% of the donated amount goes into buying cooking ingredients. So 75% of the donated amount goes into buying only cooking ingredients, and the rest goes into paying salaries, operations, and maintenance costs. So the concern is about the cost that goes into running the center. That is the main concern. So issue क्या है? Concern क्या है? Concern is the running cost. While Niabuddin intended to replicate the initiative in the nearby districts, but पंगा वही है कि रनिंग कॉस्ट का इशू है, कि कॉस्ट फिनेंसेस का इशू है बेसिकली. क्वेश्चन देखते हैं. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन कह रहा है, फ्रॉम द फॉलोइंग चूज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट चैलेंज that Niabuddin has to face or has to overcome to sustain WBLCF. If we want to sustain WBLCF, so what is the challenge that he must overcome? Option A is paying salaries to employees. So as we can see, that is important. Obviously, whatever employees you have, dedicated employees, you want to pay salaries to them, but is that most important? Let's see. बाकी options को देखते हैं. Option B, attracting enough diners. Yes, that is important to make the organization successful. Important है. But that is not the most important challenge, because as we can see, he is gaining diners. There are many diners as such. So in that way, it is not challenge. It is already, the organization is already running it successfully. Option C, preparing only local dishes for diners. That is not the challenge, definitely. Variety is good, but variety is not the concern or challenge. Main challenge क्या है उसने Niabuddin का? As we have seen, it is saying he is concerned about the cost that goes into running the center. So main challenge is finance. Getting enough finances and donations, yes, that is probably the right answer. Option E, having enough cooks and employees. That is also important, but again, all these challenges, paying salaries, having enough cooks, all of them go back to finance only. So most important challenge is finances and donations. Option D is the answer for question number 1. Very easy question. आगे बढ़ते हैं question number 2 पे. Question number 2 is saying, Niabuddin realized that on some days the food was wasted. Some days the food was wasted, while on other days diners went back hungry. So that is a problem. किसी दिन एक्स्ट्रा बन जा रहा है, फूड वेस्ट हो रहा है, खाने वाले नहीं है, और किसी दिन ऐसा हो जा रहा है that some diners have come but they are going back hungry because the food is finished. He sought advice from a consultant friend on how to reduce wastage. The consultant suggested the following. Option number 1, launch a mobile app so that the diners can pre-inform their arrival through WBLCF. Option number 2, ask diners who enjoy a free meal to distribute excess food to the hungry on streets. Option 3, ask diners to eat less as it is good for health. And option 4, preach people to eat less. And last option, option 5, ration amount of food to be served to the diners. Now the question is, which of the above ideas will not be consistent with the core ethos of WBLCF? So WBLCF का core ethos क्या है? That they started with, their motto was no human should be hungry. No human should be hungry. So that is their core ethos basically. So first वाला, launch a mobile app, that is very consistent, not problem, that is consistent. हमें inconsistent वाला ढूंढना है, that will not be consistent. Second, ask diners who enjoy a free meal to distribute excess food to hungry, that is also fine, that is also consistent, because इसीलिए तो उन्होंने अपना ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ओपन ही किया है. Third is ask diners to eat less as it is good for healthy, as good for health. ठीक है, fine. But इनका कंसर्न क्या है? Their concern is no human should be hungry, and also nothing gives more satisfaction to the philanthropist than to see the hungry eat to the fullest. So stopping someone from eating, ठीक है, और saying it to him, suggesting to him to eat less is against the ethos of the organization. It is not what the organization was started for. So definitely third one is against the ethos. Fourth, preach people to eat less, similar than the third, similar. Third और fourth एक जैसा ही है. Preaching people to eat less और asking diners to eat less are almost the same. Fourth वाला भी is against the ethos. Fifth, rationing amount of food to be served to the diners, यानी कि लिमिट कर रहे हो अमाउंट को. बात तो वही हुई, रैशन कर रहे हो यानी कि यू आर लिमिटिंग द अमाउंट टू बी ईटन. अगेन यू आर डिसाइडिंग कि हाउ मच वन शुड ईट, सो यू आर नॉट गिविंग देम a full meal, a complete meal. So that is not what goes with the ethos, with the core ethos of the WLCF. So 3, 4 and 5 are against these. Answer will be option E. Next one, last question of the set. Niyabuddin wanted to conserve local recipes that can be used to prepare mouth-smacking dishes for the dinners. So concern इस बार क्या है? Purpose क्या है? He wanted to conserve local recipes. Question is, which of the following could be the best way to conserve local recipes? Best way, we have to find best way to conserve local recipes. Option A is saying tie up with the chef of the best restaurant in Palakkad to document recipes. अच्छा क्या है इस ऑप्शन के साथ में? If you tie up with the chef has the relevant expertise तो है उसके पास में. But problem ये है कि to document recipes कहाँ से आएंगी? Local dishes चाहिए. लोकल डिशेस को अगर लोकल रिसाइप्स को अगर कंजर्व करना है तो उसके लिए यू नीड कम्युनिटी पार्टिसिपेशन. कम्युनिटी में लोग पार्टिसिपेट करें, कम्युनिटी का एंगेजमेंट हो. दैट इज हाउ यू कैन कंजर्व लोकल रिसाइप्स. यू कैन गेट टू नो लोकल रिसाइप्स, इजंट इट सो? एंड देन यू कैन डॉक्यूमेंट इट. तो ऑप्शन ए इज नॉट गोइंग इन दैट डायरेक्शन, नॉट द राइट डायरेक्शन. ऑप्शन बी, होल्ड अ वीकली कॉम्पिटिशन फॉर द बेस्ट लोकल डिश एंड गेट इट जज्ड एंड डॉक्यूमेंटेड बाई लोकल वॉलंटियर्स. सीम्स गुड बिकॉज कम्युनिटी एंगेजमेंट भी है इसमें हो रहा है. Community engagement is there, isn't it so? So that way it is fine. Community participation है, local volunteers है, so local recipes ही चाहिए हमें. Local volunteers is a good option. Also there is a judging process. So in a way, this is very inclusive approach, inclusive and holistic. But let us see rest of the options. Option C, ask free diners to contribute towards one recipe for a dish and give them the responsibility to document it. Seems good कि free diners को ये option दो कि वो contribute करें one recipe for a dish and give them the responsibility to document it. But problem ये है कि this is not completely inclusive. Why? Because free diners तो ठीक है, but not everyone is a free diner. So non-diners are excluded. They are excluded from participating. And they might also have some good local recipes, isn't it? So ऐसा थोड़ी है कि local recipes सिर्फ उनके पास होंगी who are free diners. There are huge chances कि non-diners also have some good local recipes. They will be excluded. So option C is less relevant than B. तो B is much better. D कह रहा है request a lady once a week in Palakkad to cook food at WBLCF on voluntary basis and document the recipes. ऑप्शन डी में कह रहा हूँ एक लेडी से रिक्वेस्ट करो और एक वीक में एक लेडी से कि एक बार वो फूड कुक करे वॉलंटरी बेसिस पे एंड डॉक्यूमेंट द रिसाइप्स. द प्रॉब्लम इज दिस इज टू लिटिल एन एफर्ट. बहुत लिटिल है, बहुत छोटा सा एफर्ट है कि इंस्टेड ऑफ कम्युनिटी पार्टिसिपेशन का एक पर्सन वीक में एक बार पार्टिसिपेट करेगा तो टू लिटिल पार्टिसिपेशन. नॉट वेरी इंक्लूसिव अगेन, नॉट वेरी पार्टिसिपेटिव इधर. कम्युनिटी पार्टिसिपेशन तो नहीं है, सिर्फ एक सिंगल पर्सन से एक वीक में एक बार कुक करवा रहे हैं. सो ऑप्शन डी इज ऑल्सो नॉट द राइट आंसर. ऑप्शन ई, टाई अप विद वन ऑफ द फूड डिलीवरी पार्टनर्स टू हेल्प देम डॉक्यूमेंट द रिसाइप्स. फूड डिलीवरी पार्टनर्स तो भाई डिलीवरी करेंगे, वो डिलीवरी एजेंट है, डिलीवरी करेंगे, डिलीवरी में एक्सपर्ट होंगे वो, बट डॉक्यूमेंटिंग द रिसाइप्स कैसे करेंगे, क्यों करेंगे, एक्सपर्टीज भी कहाँ है उनका. ठीक है, सो ई इज ऑल्सो डेफिनेटली नॉट द राइट आंसर. राइट आंसर विल बी ऑप्शन बी. ऑप्शन बी, होल्ड अ वीकली कॉम्पिटिशन फॉर द बेस्ट लोकल डिशेज एंड गेट इट जज्ड एंड डॉक्यूमेंटेड बाई लोकल वॉलंटियर्स. कंप्लीट कम्युनिटी पार्टिसिपेशन है, लोकल वॉलंटियर्स रहेंगे, जजिंग प्रोसेस रहेगा, इंक्लूसिव है, होलिस्टिक है, ऑल द बॉक्सेस आर टिक्ड. डेफिनेटली ऑप्शन बी विल बी द करेक्ट आंसर फॉर दिस पर्टिकुलर क्वेश्चन. इज इट क्लियर? सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट दिस सेट. आई होप कि सेशन पसंद आया होगा, क्वेश्चन समझ में आए होंगे. एंड इफ दैट इज सो, तो like the session. If there is any doubt in any particular question, you can always comment. That's all. Bye bye.